Now here is another way on how to use the Wi-Fi Pineapple Nano on how to collect the dump of the traffic. So again, go to Manage Modules and install a TCP dump module. Now go to the TCP dump module, of course, install the dependencies and just run the tool or start it. Now I'll connect my phone to the forged Wi-Fi SSID here, and I'll do some browsing. And as you can see here on the screen, there is a history of one. So this is, I'll just refresh that. Okay, so this is an instance of the packet captured. You just install it here, and this is a pcap file. Now this pcap file, you can take it to Wireshark, open it there and analyze it.